In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your browsing data in Microsoft Edge. First, make sure you have Microsoft Edge open on your computer. If you're not sure if you're using Microsoft Edge, look for the icon that looks like a blue or green swirl, which is the distinctive logo of this browser. Once you have it open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen for the three dots. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu of options available to you. Now select Settings from this menu. It's usually towards the bottom, so if you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just scroll down a bit until you find it. Once you're in the Settings menu, focus your attention on the left side of your screen. You should see a variety of options listed there. Click on the one that says Privacy, Search, and Services. This section of Microsoft Edge is like the control room for everything related to privacy and search settings, so it's an important space to be familiar with. In this section, you'll find an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. This is our next target in these steps. When you find it, click on it, and this will direct you to a new area within the privacy settings. On this new page, you'll notice an option called Clear Browsing Data Now, along with a button that says Choose What to Clear. Go ahead and click that button. This action will trigger a pop-up page where you'll have the freedom to customize exactly what type of data you want to clear from your browsing history. You'll see a drop-down menu allowing you to select a time range. You can choose to clear data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, the past week, the last 4 weeks, or all time. Besides the time range, you'll notice checkboxes for various types of data, such as browsing history, download history, cookies, cached images and files, passwords, and autofill form data. It's up to you how much or how little you want to clear. If you're just doing a quick cleanup, you might choose to clear just the cookies and cached files. But if you want a fresh start, you might decide to check off browsing history and download history as well. Once you've made your selections and you're satisfied with your options, all that's left to do is click the Clear Now button. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your browsing data in Microsoft Edge. This process is quite straightforward, but it's always a good idea to review what you're deleting to avoid clearing something you might still need. Keeping your browser clean and streamlined can enhance your browsing speed and protect your privacy. Thank you for watching, and now you're all set with a refreshed browser.